that's not good. Hey guys, working on a 2015 Subaru BRZ, and we are going to be replacing our belt tensioner. It has a lot of play. It's very wobbly. It's not good for our accessories, and we don't want our pulley to ever slip off. So to get started, we're going to remove our intake. Cool. We'll see if this will fit here. I don't think it will. Looks like a 10. There we go. Nice and gentle. And we're just going to, it's a small little clamp here. Fun part here is trying to get it to come out. We'll have to try to pull it. Yep, just like that. WD-40 helps. We're just gonna turn and wobble. We don't want this to break off on us. Perfect. She should have, oh, there we go. She's out. Good. And finally, beautiful. That out. Now, she should come up. There you go. And pull this up and out. Okay, so before we get started, I'm gonna take this cap off here, this 10 mil, so we can have access to the belt up here. And I'm just gonna lift it up like that. Leave it to the side. Okay, before you take the belt off, great idea to take a picture. If I have the owner's manual, I'll post the actual picture of the belt design. Just don't forget it. Our tensioner is right here, 14 millimeter. And we're gonna bring this in and pull this belt off, like so. We'll see. All right, I believe our bolt is right here behind this cap. See if I can pull that off. And she's coming out. And our, okay, that looks like a hex bit. All right, we're gonna get a hex bit in here and pull this out. If you're using the bar method, which you could just use a wrench, pull this, get a piece of pipe or like a flat right here, jam it in there like that, so that you have enough space to pull your bar out. All right, so 8 millimeter hex. I'll come in here like this. And
dang.
oh no. I think I gotta pull this pulley off to get this one out. Are you kidding me? Let me see. I do. Oh my god. Alright, 14 mil again. Let's try this again. And she's coming out. Now. Okay. And this is our old tensioner. Let's get our new one. Okay. So, when you install it, there's a nub right here. If you look in here, line that nub hole right here, and we're good to go. Good. Don't know the torque spec, but don't kill it, but make sure it's snug. Okay, alright, good. Now, I'm gonna grab it from here, pull that out, and she's ready.
Keeping it forever.
Don't kill it, but that's good right there. 3 spins. We're gonna check all our pulleys. Woo! Nice and quiet. Quiet. AC is quiet. I'm not sure what this is. Quiet. Quiet. Beautiful. Let's get our new belt on. We'll bring it forward. Max it out. Make sure all your pulleys are in their grooves. Everything is fully flush, and we're just gonna let it go, and everything looks beautiful. Okay. Alright, we got our new belt on. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time, out.